Dear friends, it's me again. Today, we gather with a very heavy heart and a sense of anguish as we mourn the very passing of our dearly beloved brother, please, now is not the time for dancing. We gather to mourn the very passing of our dearly beloved Jamaica. Sorry about that. Our dearly beloved Brazil. Such hurt, such pain. This loss has cut a giant slice down the hearts of many. We gather today to mourn the very passing of our dearly beloved Netherlands. No mourning for the Netherlands. We gather today to mourn the very passing of our dearly beloved England. Oh, how they suffered long. Such long suffering. Sadly, only their bodies will be coming home. And this one has hit me personally. We gather to mourn the passing of our dearly beloved Portugal. The hurt, the agony. Weeping may endure for tonight, but surely yard cometh in the morning. Come on, somebody say this with me. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Now, before we depart, the family would like to advise all who are gathered that a special pot of a curry goat sent directly from Portugal will be served at the family home immediately following the funeral. Come, let us stand and sing this great song of remembrance. Meet me by the airport. Meet me by the airport someday. Oh, meet me by the airport, not far away. Oh, when our team shall be sent home, happy, happy, oh, the other side. Meet me by the airport, oh, someday.